time is it there? It's 9:06. Are you straight? Of course, yes. Alright, let me know if you guys could hear me on the YouTube. That's the most important part. If you guys can hear me on the YouTube, then we should be good to go. Let me know if you guys can hear me on the YouTube. You guys hear me or no? What's going on, homies? So we're currently live on YouTube. Make sure you guys join it up. 1 second here while I start live on YouTube at Smart Money Pedigree. I will look at everything right now in a second. Alright. I don't care, let's go. Alright, so let's look first. Opening happening fairly soon. We're looking at structure. You guys still can hear me? It shows that you guys, like, the mic is talking. That's the weird part. You guys can hear me or no? Let me try to add another mic. Like output, I guess. Let me see if it works. The screen is so dark. Yeah, it's from my eyes. You can see I have glasses. I mean, I'm fucking blind now. It's fixed now? Oh, okay, good. Alright, so we got that. right there. That's what we have for ERUSD. Now let's move on to SPX. So SPX, kind of a similar nerve, right? We had this push up higher. We were at a premium, we pushed down. We are still kind of heading to a level of discount, right? This big FVG right here that you guys can see most likely still needs fitting. So this is kind of what I'm expecting price to kind of reprice towards. It's going to be the main narrative right now for PA, for price to drop all the way down to there. And then once it drops down to there, could we get some type of correction where then price goes up higher, right? But as of now, we are heading towards some bullish PA. Is it possible to make a brighter price in OBS? It's a good idea. Maybe I will, but not right now. Right now we just have to focus on trading. So let's keep looking at charts here. M15, price has some equal highs above here. That is a thing to look forward. We do have some equal highs here that we could definitely take note of if price does want to give us something. But I mean, we did have a little bit of a sweep there, just kidding. So we did sweep that. That looks more like a sweep more than anything. We had that sweep there, price dropped down, pushed up higher, rebalanced out of this FEG, you guys can see right there. That was pretty clean, FEG rebalance right there. Price had dropped slower, continues dropping lower, gives you a rebalance to this breaker point. Looks like we didn't quite fill it right here. So that's something. We also have an FEG that we can potentially pay attention to right up here. If price does want to go back up higher there, and then wait for a little bit of a market structure shift from up there. Still very choppy though. Not really a fan of much here, if I'm being honest. Drop down, I'll go AM. We are at a very low discount. That's what I can see, we're very low discount. I would like to see a little bit of an impulse higher to give me some type of corrective move where it makes sense for us to try to go long. And same thing for EU here. We haven't really quite yet gotten to this placement yet that makes much sense for us. We're still kind of in a downside bearish trend here. Let's look at gold. Nice. I know one of my traders was trading gold longs earlier. He was trying to catch that big move up to the upside, and it looks like it's paying off for him. That is kind of going up higher. Now gold looks interesting here, right? Because if we look at price, we are very deep at this AM open here. So we are very deep at this level where price might want to start continuing out going higher, right? Looks like we didn't quite, or were unable to break this level of demand that we see here. We kind of had a small break of structure here where we had a sweep. It looks like price is now just rebalancing, doing a typical fake off for price to go back up higher now, right? So now taking note of that, we're looking now to see what kind of levels can we have here that makes sense for us to go back up higher towards, right? So if we're looking at price can first of all come back up to rebalance out of this FVG up here. That's one, right? And then we take note of that. Then we can also refill all these levels up here that we have yet to grab. These levels of liquidity right here, right? So prices obviously is impulsing higher here, not really giving us much to work with. We're looking at M3 level. We have this breaker candle right here, so we can focus on this level right there. And then from there, from this big breaker candle that we have right there, we can also now look at M5, how that is making also an FEG right on top of it. So that looks pretty interesting to me. This could be a level where potentially we can capitalize from right there. If prices want to give us a little bit of an entry point for gold, and we could take, let's say, along at this 50%. So I was below right there. Let's say above 3 here, make an answer of 2 to 1. That could be something we focus on if you're looking for some gold longs. Let's wait and see how that 3-minute closes right there. That'll be more like it right there. We can focus on this 50% right here. Or no, is it a 1.8 to 1? Alright, we can make it a 2 to 1, honestly, just to be safe. We'll take that 2 to 1 right there with gold. We have that M3 FEG and breaker. Need some ginger, bro? I'm always fucking sick, man. I promise you, I'm always sick. You guys saw that ICT is back on Instagram? That's fucking crazy. The goat of goats, man. He's back in the game. I remember when ICT first came back a couple years ago where he had Instagram. He got like, he was going to do a training competition with WWE and they never did it. That's what everybody was looking forward to back in the day. A training competition. It was going to be super nice, but that didn't happen, man, unfortunately. I do like gold here. Let's see if we can get that long to happen. We're basically risking 16 pips to make 34. 2 to 1 R right here for gold. Makes sense to me. And we're also gonna have it just quite at that London Open. That's another thing, right? So we're gonna have it just ready for us at that New York Open. Trying to see if there's anything else that might give us. Will I be trying to short here? Definitely not. We do have that breaker there. Under gold, there's an FEG. Under the FEG selected. Why it's not valid? Well, the reason why it's not valid is because we have this breaker here. So this level right here, grab liquidity, then we drop down, right? So that's the reason why I don't count it as valid. You can see how we also have this nice big wick of rejection down here. So I most likely will not want to drop down to these levels. When you have a breaker, when you have an FEG, right? You want to count your premium from discounts from this level. So for example, if this, let's say this wasn't here, this breaker, then yeah, we'll be looking at this and we'll be looking at this FEG down there. But since this breaker is there, then we go ahead and put it up from this breaker down to the high. So this right here will be at a discount, right? It just depends on the way you're looking at structure and what you have compounded and built enough as data for you to understand why things work and why things don't work, you know? We'll see what Prez does here. We have roughly 9 minutes to go for that New York Open. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out of the Instagram. If you guys wanna keep training with me, join the YouTube, alright? We are live on YouTube. It is Smart Money Pedigree. If you guys wanna join, make sure you guys join. Alright, talk to you guys later. Peace. Yeah, hold on. Ojalá, ojalá, te quedes conmigo. Jesus Christ. Where can I see?
You want water or juice?
Water.
You want to eat an alligator?
No, it's fine.
You want your pozolita?
Later. Damn, look at USD pairs, man. They absolutely fucking flew. If price does go back up here, then we won't take this shit, obviously. Damn, I got some food in this bit. Well, fuck. Guys, I'm like mind blown right now. So, we're risking $500 on this, right? For gold. I don't know why I'm having like a brain fart. So, sorry, $600. So, 37.5 is what I'm risking, right? That's gonna be my stop loss. So I divided the 500, I divided the 600 by 16 and whatever. Pending is closed. No one can trade that shit. But what will be the lot size, right? 37.5. I'm really confused right now. Is it gonna be a 3.75? It's gonna be a 3.75, right? I don't know why I'm having a brain fart, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a 3.75, or that be 3.75. 3.75 will be $37. $37.05. That will be 3.75, right, guys? Or am I just being stupid right now? I'm super lost. I don't know why I'm lost like this. Well, there goes gold, guys. So this looks like a trade that we will no longer be able to catch because we are filling out the voids that we had our eyes on, which was the M15 level. Looks like price has reached our initial TP. We can go ahead and close that pending now. For right now, I don't want to be trading anything for gold as we speak. Yeah, maybe if we drop down back to this level, I will keep my eyes on it. But the price looks like it might just want to continue going. Now we can focus a little bit, like let's say EU. What's going on with EU here? What's going on with SPX? SPX is looking very interesting because we are hitting a level where price might just now want to continue dropping, right? We know we are at a discount level. We know we want to drop down to these lows over here. We have this amphithean range above here. The problem is that we are at a very deep discount, right? So I would love to see the FEG that we were above, if we were at a premium. But the problem is that we are at a discount. So the FEG that I'm looking at doesn't really make much sense for me to try to capitalize from, right? Fortunately speaking, I'm talking about this one. So once that does break, which it is breaking right now, I would like to see what type of FEG we can make right above this level here, right below this level here. So then potentially from there, we could try to capitalize on some longs for then price to go back up to a premium, which would be roughly above here, right? And we want to see what levels are above here that probably need some fitting. And that will be the amphitheater level that we have. Not this one, it will be this one, right? So this will be my overall target that I'll be focused on. And then potentially if it goes back up there, we could try to get on some sells. So let's keep looking at SPX here and see what price wants to deliver for us. It looks like we just quite haven't been able to break out of the FEG. That's kind of my main motive, to see that we break out of that bearish FEG and then make an FEG within that range. Buy arrow? Not yet. So we're quite at a premium here with gold. That's interesting to look at. Could we potentially now be making some levels for us to try to go lower again? Because we do have quite enough equal lows here. Do you tell me we should go in? Yes, I do. Oh shit, look at that. That just went up, man. Jesus, look at that. So that's exactly what I was looking at here. I just don't know if we're going to get the entry now. Because yes, we have the FPG right there. At clean as day for SPX right here. Let's see if we can maybe get an entry from that M5 level. I don't know if it's going to want to come back down to that. But we had what was happening. We had idea what was literally happening. Gold over here giving us a nice attractive move to the downside now. Though I don't really enjoy it. I much prefer SPX here. So the price does want to recalibrate here and go back down to rebalance this. This could be something that we're focused on, and then capitalizing some longs back up to this range high up here. Now, I'm not saying we're going to make it, because price is obviously very strong impulsively as of now, but that will be definitely the entry setup that we will be focused on, unfortunately, with SPX. So I don't mind this either, because this means that now we have hit the premium, right? The premium that we were kind of looking for. We have hit that. So now we have to see how does price react from this premium, and could we now drop back down to rebalance out of this FEG that we have pending here, right? We are at a very interesting level here because we are above back at this amphithean FEG that we had our eyes on. We are a premium from this Algo PM session. We obviously are back at this level of rebalancing. So potentially we could sell this to come back down to grab this. Now, this is enough for me to get on this sell. So we can go ahead and just put our shorts right here, put our stops above the PM session highs, and then target the lows right here. That's enough for me, right? We're risking roughly, we're making a 2.8, and you guys can take that sell to rebalance back down to these lows over here. So that's enough for me to try to take this sell here. Well, it's not looking good as of now. Looks like my idea of selling here, I wasn't even able to get in, so that's fine. If you guys got in, I apologize. I wasn't even able to get in. Let's see what we got here. That was a stop hunt right there. It looks like it might have been. I don't know. We'll see for gold. I'm still gonna keep my eyes on SPX here. Fortunately, we had the right idea for this, but a little bit impatient with that seller. I apologize for that. Alright guys, so we are back at the level where we wanted to capitalize on some gold. So we can definitely go ahead and capitalize on that. Yeah, SPX looks a little bit bullish here. So gold, yes, we rebalanced this, but problem with this is that we are at a very strong level where price might want to continue going higher here. We have to see, right? We did rebalance out of this. We have this here. Let's see what price gives us here. I think price continues on here, man. Honestly, we did rebalance out of that. If anything, what I'm looking for now is for price to give me a little bit of a FEG over here. Like something that makes sense, and the M5 level here. This could be something that we focus on, for then price to then continue dropping. Because we did just rebalance out of a very significant level here, which was the level that you guys are looking at, right? We just rebalanced out of, I don't know if we're gonna have enough trend to try to capitalize from that. Price most likely just gonna drop now and rebalance out of all those levels on there. That's what it looks like to me. The Northern price continues going higher here. Man, what a pop SPX. I should have waited, been a little bit more patient here, to be honest. A little bit more patient. That was the key here. So what now? US 30? What are you talking about, gold? Or what pair? I like how this looks. This looks interesting right here. This could be a level we'll be definitely focus on for gold. We want straight balances. I don't think I want to, just because we have like kind of a complete sum here, right? We have this, we had this, and then from there, we had that SMR, right, at this range high. So I think we're just gonna continue dropping to grab all of this liquidity below. But if we do have a chance to go back up here, because it induces some liquidity, this could definitely be a level where you guys focus on to then capitalize on the shorts over here. Fuck. So SPX is back at daily highs, right? The problem is that there's too much liquidity above here for me to try to sell this. Like there's all these wicks. It's too much for me to try to sell this. I don't want to sell this here. I rather see this grab and then from there maybe try to capitalize in some longs. But right now, as we're speaking, I don't like it at all. There goes gold though. Looks like price didn't want to listen to us, man. Complete fucking mouth. Golden waits for me? I feel you, bro. Me either. Me fucking either. I am passing charge for this client here. I'm up 54 I'm about to pass it. We're at 50K. I need to continue dropping because we're pretty close. We're missing like 0.7% on this 50K challenge right here. Pretty fucking close. We're at 53,779. I don't know if I want to lock this in or if I want to just let this shit go. I do think gold is going to continue going because there's so much liquidity there. People are going to be trying to get those longs there. So I feel like we're going to have a big drop here heading towards that 10 a.m. Let's hope I'm right. This is a 50K ACK from E8 that a client gave me to pass. Oh shit. That's never good. I just don't know what it's rebalancing though, that's the thing. What is it rebalancing? Any of you guys play poker? Cause I was a big fucking poker player like 2 years ago. I play poker every other day. I'm back to studying it, so I'm gonna study it again today. And I'm gonna get back to that grind. Hello. Nice gold melt, man. Very nice. So we are missing about 53.6. I'm missing just a little bit, man, for gold. Just a little bit. I feel like we're not able to grab this SMR. It's just a lot of volume there. Price plan is going to continue going higher. I'm just going to be patient here with gold. Not give the benefit of the doubt. Wait for more context of other pairs like SPX potentially. Where the hell's 2 minute? Why can't I add it? Oh. check out BAC. What the hell is that? Bank of America? Is that what that is? BAC? What the hell is that, brother? Oh shit, sorry. Bank of America, yo, I knew it. That sounded like Bank of America. That's fucking hilarious, and I haven't traded stocks in ages. That's fucking common. I knew a ticker. That is hilarious. That's actually pretty funny, don't you think? I had no idea it was Bank of America. Let's look at stocks, man. Ticker, Bank of America. I know what a stock is, brother. Jesus Christ. That's very nice. Of an impulse for a stock, you know? I remember when this shit was all the way down, COVID days, like at $10. You could have made, honestly, so much money in any stock. That's crazy. It was like at $10, right? 2020? Or no, it was at 19. That's the lowest I went. Or was it? No, it was 2020. I'm drunk. 2020 was right here. Yeah, I was down to like $20. 20 right here. Here was covered. 19. I mean, you would have still made money. All the way up to 50. That's crazy. Yeah, I wouldn't close the option call, man. It doesn't make any sense. I would just hold that. Price is looking pretty good for you. Does it have earnings or anything coming up? Up to like 33. I don't know. Is the option call in the money, or is it like a far? When's the expiration date as well for it? I mean, I don't trade stocks. It's been a while, brother. So I wouldn't be able to tell you. You're looking at the wrong guy. Definitely looking at the wrong guy. I don't want to be the one that costs you the money, you know. Just listen to your heart. If you trade stocks, and you know how to do it. You know, I'm not a stock guy anymore. That's not my avenue. I cannot help you. Plus 60%. That's very good, man. I would lock that in. It's very good. 60% on an option call, brother. August 21st. I don't know, man. Like I said, I'm not a stock guy. Alright, guys. I'm going to end it here. Price just looks very stuck to me. What I wanted to see for SPX didn't really quite happen. I wish I would have been able to capitalize on this. Didn't happen. EU, very stuck. Gold, I kind of want to see it go lower here, but still very stuck. Not ideal for me to capitalize on this. Obviously, we have this complete MXM that we can still try to take advantage of. But price still looks very unlikely to listen to me. So for that reason, we're just going to go ahead and call it for now. And then see if we can maybe, just maybe, capitalize on some shorts later on in the day. We'll see what price does here. Like I said, I do see this bad boy dropping. Possibly all the way down to 1972. That'll be part of my TP level. But we'll see. We'll see, because, you know, you never know. We had a big impulse here, and looks like there's respect there now. But I'm not a fan of any longs here with gold, with all these equilos below. I'd much rather see some shorts. So we'll see what price does. Alright, guys. See you guys tomorrow. You guys know how it goes. Don't trade the rivers to trading, and peace.